Hello my dear friends. Today we will be discussing about integers. We have found various negative integers -1, -2, etc. Non-negative integers 0, 6, 7. Positive integers 1, 2, 3 and 0. So if we look at integers in the number line, we'll see we have got negative numbers which are the negative integers, positive integers as well as 0. So all this together makes up integer. Whenever we move towards the right, the number is always larger, and if we move towards the left of the number line, the number is always smaller. So when you move towards the right, we are adding, as in everything integers also the same thing, and towards the left side we are subtracting. So that is about the integer. Let us come into the exercise. First question, write the opposite of the following. Increase in weight, it is decrease in weight. 30 km north, 30 km south, 326 BC, 326 AD, loss of rupees 700, profit of rupees 700, 100 meter above the sea level, 100 meter below the sea level. Okay. So here we have spoken about only the opposites. Increase, opposite, decrease, north, south, BC, AD, loss, profit, above, below. Okay. So that is it. How we take up the first question as simple opposite. Next, coming to the second question. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Now, how do we get the sign? For anything which is towards the upper side, you're adding up, that makes it plus. Whichever you are subtracting, that makes it minus. Like if we say above, it is plus, below it is minus. If we say profit, it is plus, loss is minus. Okay, so accordingly we will go across in this question. Okay, so herein an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above plus 2000. A submarine is moving at a depth of 8000 meters, depth minus 8000. A deposit is plus rupees 200. Withdrawal is minus rupees 700. Okay. So you saw we have denoted above with plus, depth below with minus, deposit with plus, and withdrawal with minus. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Represent the following in number line. Plus 5. How do we represent in the number line? First we will draw the number line, mark them with equal division and then put an arrow above 5. Next we will have minus 10. Here again I will draw a number line, mark them, and then I will represent minus 10 with an arrow. Next coming to plus 8. I will draw a number line and I will represent 8 with an arrow. Similarly, minus 1, how do I represent? I will draw a number line and I'll put an arrow on top of minus 1. Then minus 6, the same way I will draw a number line and then above it I will put an arrow on 6, minus 6. Okay, next question. Adjacent is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. So here you see the number line. Okay, it is in the vertical form, and then we will have to see the number line and we will have to answer few questions. The first question, if a point D is plus 8, which point is minus 8? So you see from 0 to 8 there are 8 divisions. D is marked with plus 8. So which point is minus 8? From 0 you will go towards down, because up is plus, then down should be minus. You will go minus, you will count 8 points 1, 2 is H, 3, 4, 5, 6 is G, 7, 8 is F. So F is the point which is denoting -8. If is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? See which side is G? It is below 0. So it is a negative integer. Write integers for points B and E. So which is point B? It is from 0 you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2 is A, 3, 4 is B. So B is 4. And what about E? F is -8, -9, -10. F E is -10. Okay. Then it is asked which point marked on this line has least value. Which is the least value? The one which is the lowest. Which is the lowest point? E. So E has the lowest point. Then arrange all the points in decreasing order of values. Decreasing order means from highest to the lowest. So it is just in the order from top to bottom. Okay. So D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. Alright. So you have understood this. How we go ahead writing all these things. How we go ahead understanding the number line. Next question. Following is a list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of a year. So we have 10 degrees Celsius, Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below, then Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. So all this is below is marked with minus, above is marked with plus. So what is the first question we have? First question we have is write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So herein we will write the temperatures. While writing, we will put all which are below as minus and all those which are above as plus. So below 10 degree is -10, above 30 degrees plus 30. So you see Siachen 10 degrees below -10, Shimla 2 degree below 0 degree -2, Ahmedabad 30 degree above 0 degree plus 30, Delhi 20 degree above plus 20, Srinagar 50 degree below -5 degree. Okay. Based on that only we will be answering the rest of the questions. The next question says following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against each temperature. So number line is given. The temperature is also given. Now we will have to name the cities. Alright. So what has been done? Siachen is -10 degree. Above -10 we have written Siachen. Simla is -2 degrees. So above -2 degree we have written Shimla. Then you see Ahmedabad is plus 30 degrees. So above 30 degree Ahmedabad. Delhi is plus 20, so above plus 20 we have written Delhi. Srinagar -5, so above -5 we have written Srinagar. Okay, so that is how everything is. Okay, fine. Now based on the above two, we will be answering the next of the questions. Which is the coolest place? So you find Siachen which is at -10 is the least, having the least temperature in the number line. So Siachen is the coolest place. And write the names of the places where temperature is above 10. So above 10 we have Delhi and Ahmedabad. Okay. So next, in each of the following pairs, which number is right to the other on the number line? So 2 and 9, we should always know towards the right is the greater number, right? So among 2 and 9, which is the greater number? 9. So 9 is to the right of 2. Again -3 and -8, which is the greater number? The greater number is -3. Okay, -3 is to the right of -8. See, 0 is to the right of -1. D, 10 is to the right of -11. E, 6 is to the right of -6. And F, 1 is to the right of 100. Very good. Thank you. Now coming to the next question. Write all the integers between the given pairs. 0 and -7, what are the integers? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. Okay. Next between -4 and 4. We have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Every numbers in the number line. Then -8 to -15. We have -14, -13, -12, -11, -10 and -9. Between -30 and -23, we'll have -29, -28, -27, -26, -25 and -24. Now the next question. Write 4 negative integers less than -20. So when we write negative integers less than -20, the number should be more than 20, -21, -22, -23 and -24. Okay. And if it is greater than, then it should be lesser. -19, -18, -17, -16. Similarly, 4 integers less than -10, the numbers has to be greater. -11, -13, -14, -15. Alright. Next question, true and false. -8 is to the right of -10. Check whether 8 and 10 which is bigger. 10 is bigger than 8, so -8 is bigger than -10. So -8 is towards the right of number line. That is true. -100 is towards the right of -50 in the number line. So which is greater? 100 or 50? 100 is greater. So -100 is less than -50. So false. Smallest integer is -1. False. We do not have a minus smallest integer. -26 is larger than -25. False. Okay. So by now you would have had a very good idea about the number line. Coming to the next question, we have to draw a number line and answer the following questions. We will see all these questions one by one. First one, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2? So from -2 we hopped 4 places and we reached to 2. So answer is 2. Next question, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers towards the left? Okay, so we will hop in the left side. 1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and then we reach -4. Next question, if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? -13 is towards the left, so we need to move to the left direction. If we are at -6, which direction to move to reach -1? It is towards the right side, so we move to the right side. Thank you.